Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money by watching ads. I know you will enjoy this. Welcome to Financial Guy, where we teach people to make money online. Please subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notification when we upload new videos to this channel. And please like the video. If you do, you will be encouraging me to make more videos that will help you make big money online. So without further ado guys, let's get started. You don't need any experience to do this, you just have to follow all the steps. Make sure you don't miss any part of this video, it will help you a lot. If you have any questions or concerns, just comment below, I promise to answer. There is a link in the description that will take you directly to this page. So this is the website that we're going to be using guys. So the first thing that you have to do is to sign up in this website, remembering that without signing up you cannot make money. So you might be wondering how does this works, where do they get the money from? Well, some companies come to this website to have their ads displayed here. So when you watch the video the revenue is shared with you. Once you sign up you will receive an email with a verification code. After that, you will be done. The next thing you're going to do is to go to pay to click ads. As you can see guys, if you watch the ad for 5 seconds, you will get this amount of money, so logically you have to watch a lot of ads to earn more money. There's an incredible method I want to show you, trust me, it is phenomenal. Everything you have to do is to find people who are going to join the website, and once you reach the certain number of people that the website wants, you will get paid. To do that you have to go to offers, and then, Ajuba Grid. As you can see, there are people who have already made a lot of money here. These are the payments, as you can see, other guys made $2,000, others made $1,000, it is a lot of money guys. If you want to calculate how much money you can make guys, you can go to Benefits Calculator. So this is it guys, you can make $700, if you get 40 people to sign up. So what you have to do now is to immediately go to affiliate program. If you scroll down in this page, you are going to find a link, and this link it's personal, which means that it's only for you. This link is the one you are going to be sharing with other people, so, once these people click on it, it is going to take them directly to the website, and once they sign up, the website will immediately recognize them as people you've invited, which is why I said that the link was personal. And finally, if 40 of those people you invited sign up on the website, you will earn $700. So everything you have to do is to copy the link and share it with other people. The best place to find people is Facebook. On Facebook, go to Groups, and then search Make Money Online Groups, where you are going to share your link. There are a lot of groups that can help you. So that is it for today guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time, and thanks for watching.
She left her body in Harvard above me.